Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning or good day everyone. Today let us see uh, third exercise in page number 31 of your lesson 3. Third exercise, they have given some 4 verbs and you have to read out the sentence, understand the sentence, and then you have to write the conjugation accordingly. So first, let me teach these conjugations. So far, we have learnt IR verb, ER verb, and RE verbs. There are some group verbs. There are some group verbs like this: prendre, comprendre, apprendre. All are group verbs. It means, say for example, prendre conjugation, if you have written same like that, comprendre and apprendre conjugation should be written. You can even say it as a family verbs or group verbs. Okay. So, prendre, the meaning of prendre is to take. The meaning of prendre is to take. The meaning of comprendre is to understand. To understand. The meaning of apprendre is to learn. The meaning of apprendre is to learn. So I have written the conjugation here for all the three. All the three follow same kind of conjugation. Listen here, prendre conjugation, comprendre, you just adding this at the beginning. Here also, since it is starting with vowel, you are putting J apostrophe, that's it. Hope it is clear for you all. Fine. Okay. Next, descendre verb. Descendre verb is different type of, it is a different type of conjugation. You have to memorize the conjugation. Je descends, tu descends, nous descends, vous descendez, like that. Okay. So you have to memorize certain irregular verb and certain verb conjugations. You have to memorize, no other way. Okay. Now the meaning of descendre is to get down or to come down. To come down, like that the conjugation is. Okay. Je descends, tu descends. It means that I get down, I come down. Tu descends, you get down, you come down, like that. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now I am going to explain you the third exercise. Not third exercise. Sorry. Yeah, third exercise in page number 31. Mettez le verb. Put the verbs prendre, comprendre and descendre in present tense. That is what they have given here. I'll explain you the first one. Les touristes dash dans la vieille vie. The tourists dash in the old city. The tourists dash in the old city. So, comprendre means to understand. I told you. Prendre means to take. Descendre means to get down. So, what will fit in here exactly is les touristes, the tourists, get down dans la vieille vie, in the old city. So, get down. Les touristes. Les touristes means the tourists. So, plural. The word les itself indicates that it is plural. Okay. So, les touristes means plural is ILS conjugation. ILS conjugation. Les touristes dash dans la vie. So, what is the descendre conjugation for this ILS? So, this is the right answer. So, you have to write Descend. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-E-N-T. Descend. Hope it is clear. Okay, now I'll explain you the second one. Je dash un jour de congé en avril. I dash a day of leave in April. I dash a day of leave in April. Jour means day. Congé means holiday. Congé means holiday. Avril, April. Je dash un jour de congé en avril. I take a leave in April. So I take. So prendre verb. What is the prendre verb conjugation for je here? Je prends. This is the right answer. So you have to write prend. P-R-E-N-D-S. Prend. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now C. Let us move on to the third one. Tu dash le français. You dash the French. You comprendre means understand. Is it? So you understand the French? Somebody is asking question. You understand French? So what is the comprendre verb conjugation for tu? Comprendre verb conjugation for tu is tu comprendre. Okay. So tu comprendre. C-O-M-P-R-E-N-D-S. Understood? Then next one. Les étudiants dash bien la grammaire. The students understands well the grammar. Étudiant means students. Étudiant means students. The students understands well the grammar. Les étudiants. The word les itself indicates that it is plural. So for plural always you have to take ILS conjugation. So what is the ILS conjugation for comprendre verb? Comprehend. C-O-M-P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T. So same I am writing here. C-O-M-P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T. Okay, then d'habitude les Indiens dash the petit déjeuner entre 8h30 et 9h. Okay, d'habitude means habitually. D'habitude means, d'habitude is here, no? It means habitually. Habitually. Habitually, les Indiens means the Indians. The Indians means it is plural. So les is plural, the Indians is plural. Le petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner means breakfast. Petit déjeuner means breakfast. Entre means between. Entre means between. Between 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Okay, so what kind of conjugation should come here? Les Indiens, ILS conjugation should come there. Okay, so the Indians take the breakfast. So prendre conjugation, take. Prendre conjugation, ILS. Prendre. Yeah. Okay, so what I want you to write is, please write all these conjugations, prendre, apprendre and comprendre conjugation in your classwork. And now let us see devoir verb conjugation. Devoir means there are two meanings. One is homework, another one is must. It means that I must, you must, like that the conjugation follows. Okay, so these conjugations are there in page number 29. You can please refer page number 29 for prendre conjugation. descendre conjugation and devoir conjugation. But this three conjugations together, as like how I have written, I want you to write it in your classwork. Hope it is clear. Okay, better, I'll be happy if you could write like this: je prends, along with English meaning, I take; tu prends, you take, like that. If you could write like this, fine. Otherwise, you just write like this, as like how I have written. Hope it is clear. Okay, now devoir conjugation. It is an irregular conjugation. You have to by heart the conjugation as such. You have to by heart the conjugation. Je dois, I must; tu dois, you must; il doit, he must; elle doit, she must; nous devons, we must; vous devez, you must; ils, elles doivent, they must. So let us move on to the exercise now in page number 31, fourth exercise. Fourth exercise. Quel bus dash on prendre. En means you have to write ill conjugation only. Okay. So if take your book page number 100, you refer the conjugations given. Book your book PDF. Take your book PDF, refer page number 100. If you could see the conjugations there, il slash l slash on. They will give on also, but rarely we use this on. So if on is given in the sentence, you have to write ill conjugation only. Okay. Quel bus dash on prend. What bus one must take, or he must take, or she must take. So what is the ill conjugation here for devoir? Doit. Doit. So write doit here. D-O-I-T. Doit. Vous dash descendre à la prochaine station. You get down in the next station. So you must get down in the next station. You must. Who? What is the who conjugation here? What is the who conjugation here? It is deve. You must get down in the next station. Okay. Now, il dash prendre le petit déjeuner. He must take the breakfast. He must take the breakfast. So what is the il conjugation here? Doit. So what is the answer? Doit. D-O-I-T. Doit. Then D is elle dash aller au marché. She must go to the market. Marché means market. Marché means market. Elle doit. What is the L conjugation here written? Elle doit. Okay. Then tu dash bien connaître la France. Tu dash bien connaître la France. You must know France very well. Doit. What is the tu conjugation here? Doit. So you have to write doit. I hope you are very thorough with these two exercises. Please by heart those group conjugations, this descendre conjugation and devoir conjugation. Also, all these conjugations are very, very important. Definitely you can expect question from this, either in multiple choice question or in 2 marks or even in 4 marks. Okay. Merci. Merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Au revoir. Goodbye. A bientôt. See you soon. A bientôt. See you soon. And please write these conjugations in your classwork. I am repeating. Don't forget to write this. Write along with the English meanings if possible.